Let's go. Got a little sprint right here. You know, saying they gave us too strong. I don't know why they gave me too strong. But let's get into it. Got medium fry. Medium fry. 10-piece nugget. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get that 10-piece nugget. We got barbecue. 2 barbecues right here. Some more fries. Some more fries. So I'm finna go ahead and set it up for y'all. I'll be back just a second. Alright, we back, y'all. We back. I think this is gonna be the thumbnail. Yeah, that's the thumbnail. Alright, let's get straight into it, you know? Straight into it. How was y'all day? My day was good, pretty good. Gonna go get my haircut today, so, you know, have some fun. You know, I gotta hurry up and finish this because I got somewhere to do. So, we gonna hurry up. We'll go say our prayer. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Let's get into it. Man. I love McDonald's. McDonald's so good. So this is gonna be like, this is gonna be my first official mukbang. Cause like the other mukbang I did, that wasn't really a mukbang. So, cause camera was all messed up. It was bad timing. So, first official mukbang on the channel. Nah, can't wait to grow with you guys. You know, do more videos and stuff. I love YouTube. You know, love it since I was 8. You know what I'm saying? You know, I just love growing up watching Corey Kenshin, Berleezy, a lot of other creators. Like so many people have inspired me, you know, to grow and just to make videos, you know. So thank you to them creators. Man, delicioso. Can't go wrong. Sprite hit him. Sprite hit him. Let me open this. So good. Take another bite. Get some fries over here. Delicious. soon, when I start getting more popular, more famous, and y'all actually start commenting, I'm gonna read some of y'all comments, whatever and stuff, or do some Q&A. Definitely Q&A coming soon. Do a Q&A. Really introduce myself to y'all, so y'all get to know me better and stuff like that. But right now we gonna eat. Ooh, that just hit the back of the throat. Fries. Dip it in that barbecue sauce. I should have got sweet and sour. I don't know why I ain't say sweet and sour. It's cool though. I like this too. It's so cold down there. By the way, I'm in the basement, so I'm gonna do a lot of mukbangs down here. So one more love, y'all. Finish the fries. Man, I'm already full. Last fry. All right, y'all. Last nugget. Here we go. This how some of y'all be dipping y'all nuggets. I don't know why. That's too much sauce. But never too much sauce. All right, y'all. That was the end of the mukbang. Thank y'all for watching this video and sitting to the end. Y'all are some great supporters. I like y'all. Comment down below what mukbang y'all want to see me do. Cause we're definitely gonna be doing a lot more Chick-fil-A Wednesdays, whatever y'all want. Just comment down below. Make sure you like the video if you like this video. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.